Where does the NYC Pride Parade route start in 2025? June 28, 2025. Exciting news for New Yorkers and visitors alike. The NYC Pride Parade is just around the corner, and many are eager to know where the festivities will kick off in 2025. If you are planning to join the celebration or simply want to be part of this vibrant event, you are in the right place. The parade is set to start at 25th Street and 5th Avenue in Manhattan. This iconic location is perfect for gathering, and it is expected to attract over 2 million attendees. Mark your calendars for June 20, 2025, as the parade will commence at noon. Participants will march through the heart of the city, creating a colorful display of love and community. The route will take you through the lively Greenwich Village, a historic area known for its rich LGBTQ+ culture. The parade will conclude near 16th Street and 7th Avenue around 5 p.m., making for a full afternoon of celebration. As the day approaches, street closures will begin at 10 a.m. to accommodate the large crowds. This means that if you are planning to drive or take public transportation, you should plan accordingly. There will be pedestrian crossings available at various points along the route, ensuring that everyone can safely navigate the area. Expect to see an array of colorful floats, marching bands, and numerous LGBTQ+ organizations participating in the parade. This event is not just a celebration of Pride but also a powerful reminder of the ongoing fight for equality and acceptance. The atmosphere will be filled with music and a sense of unity as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate love and identity. If you are thinking about attending, make sure to wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. The energy will be contagious, and you will want to soak in every moment of this incredible day. So, whether you are a local or visiting New York City for the first time, the NYC Pride Parade on June 28, 2025, promises to be an unforgettable experience.